Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
What's up, everybody? Today we're making a cutlet sandwich. For now, enjoy the ASMR. Ooh, so crispy, so thin, so juicy. Alright, so this sandwich is going to be pretty basic. I'm going to use lots of ricotta cheese. I know a lot of people here are going to say, you should be using burrata cheese. You should be using mozzarella cheese. But I like ricotta cheese. I did forget my prosciutto, but that's okay. We're also going to add some long hots. And today we're going to drizzle it with some hot honey brought to you by Bowl and Basket.
Ooh, baby, baby. Baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Baby, baby.
And of course, I couldn't help myself. I did eat half of the sandwich before I remember putting the prosciutto back on.
Ah, mamma mia!
Look at that.